Hi, my name's Lauren. Welcome to the Formal Garden. Do you feel like you might be visiting royalty? Or maybe you're at a beautiful public garden somewhere in another country? That's what a formal garden is. It's all about symmetry. Palaces, churches, and important buildings often have formal gardens for special occasions like weddings, graduations, and parties that are beautiful for photos. Our formal garden shows patterns in gardening. Do you see any patterns? Do you see any plants that have been shaped like a circle, square, or maybe an animal shape? Do you see any other shapes that are familiar with lots of color? We also show symmetry in our formal garden. That means that one side of the garden looks like the other side, kind of like a mirror reflection. Do you see anything that is symmetrical? Walk through the garden and breathe in the beauty of the design.